Here we go, we've got the two diesel experts in the front here, the guys that do all the tuning at Berrima Diesel, Sons Trent and Baden. We're just going for running this badly remapped 200 series. It was that bloody noisy before and rattly when I took it for a run earlier. It was crazy. Huge gains over standard with the tune. Now we put it from the tune that it had in it back to standard. Now we've done proper tuning on it, and it's just incredible the difference. So we're just going for a bit of a run now, have a bit of a listen, see what it pulls and goes like on the road, because that's the most important thing. And then he's ready to put his big caravan on the back again. How's that out the back, Trent? It was like a dumping smoke bomb before.
Yeah, no smoke out there now.
No smoke, that's good. And just sitting in here, it is so much quieter. The injection rattle, God knows whether they'd mucked around with timing maps or all sorts of crap they shouldn't. I mean, these are the guys that would have squealed years ago about rail pressure chips going, oh, they turn up rail pressure and that's all they do. Well, these guys are remapping and turning up rail pressure through the roof. And remember, when they do that, that's the new norm. So they can raise all the limiters and make the pressures go out of range. There, just a nice smooth V8 noise. Well done, guys.
That's good.
He'd be happy to tow his big van now, safely. Because that's what it's all about. 3 generations later, same address, we've still got the business at, so you can't hide. You can find us anytime you want to. But the jobs have got to last. They've got to last a long time. Not until the business goes broke 5 years later. It lasted for 3 generations. So that's what we say. We don't do anything special other than guarantee the work gets done and it's going to last and be safe for your diesel. To see more of these videos, keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after your diesel and getting it tuned safely and properly.